guys, let me check out what's in this cupboard here. This bread tastes so good. Yes, child, as I was saying, cornbread. We're gonna have in this a long while. Guys, honey bun donut. And yeah, banana at the back. Bunch of banana. So we're gonna try and see if we can get some of the real, authentic, organic banana and Coke. Okay, but we have to go on the road because we have things to do, and you know, by the time you look at it, it's time to go back to Canada. But I'm gonna finish charging this phone. Because you know, when I leave out to go on the room, when I leave out to go on the road, let me pull this curtain. Leave to go on the road, I have to make sure my phone is fully charged. I love this, guys. Waking up in the morning, summer is me. The summer is made for people like me. I was born in it, so that's what I'm used to. But anyway, guys, catch you later. I have lots to record.
Water or use the sanitizing station nearest you. Thank you for your cooperation.
Su atención, por favor. De acuerdo con las instrucciones.
At this time, we ask all passengers to receive the attention of security classes. Please ensure that all cellular telephones and all other handheld electronic devices are in airplane mode only and stowed away.
Hello everyone. On behalf of the Caribbean Airlines team, welcome aboard. I am sure that you will agree that safety is extremely important. Civil aviation regulations require that passengers comply with the safety information that is being given. We know that you fly frequently.
The emergency exits are clearly marked with red and white exit signs. There are 4 exit doors on the Boeing 737. Observe the no smoking sign. The washrooms are equipped with sensitive smoke detectors, and it is an offense to tamper with these devices.
Thank you for your attention. Important safety checks will now be carried out. Do enjoy your flight with us, and thank you for choosing the services of Caribbean Airlines, where we offer you the warmth of the island.